talk about how saying I'm busy all the time can be a problem for you. Firstly, guys, it can make you feel unapproachable and unbelievable. And secondly, if you are always saying I'm busy, then people will start to think that you don't have time for them and they will be less likely to reach out to you. Do you want them to do so? If no, then let's learn some more expressions with me. Number one, you can say I'm up to my neck in work. I need a holiday. Second, I'm tied up. I'm tied up in meeting all afternoon. Number three, I'm swamped. I'm swamped. I was so swamped with work on Sunday. Another one, you can also say I have a lot in my plate or my plate is full. For example, you can say my plate is full. I no longer need the added stress or pain. Next, I'm up to my eyes or I'm up to my ears. Sorry, I couldn't call you that day. I was up to my eyes with work and exams. Another one, I have lots to do. I have lots to do. Don't bother me. I have lots to do. Next, I'm not under work. For example, you can say I'm not under work and this is not going to change in future. So guys, these were a few expressions that you can use in your conversations to sound smart and different, like a native English speaker. You can also check our playlist to watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills. If you really find something new to learn in this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more language learning content. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning, and keep practicing.